Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to F6 online support program class 7 pre-coaching class for upcoming class 8 subject mathematics prepared by Ikra Naz. Dear student, as you all know that this session has prolonged due to COVID-19. In order to better utilize your time for next session, school has decided to commence pre-coaching classes of the next session. Textbook New Secondary Mathematics Students Course Book 2 page number 98 Chapter Averages of Statistical Data Topic Mean Resources Required Textbook Internet Objectives At the end of the lesson, students will be able to find the mean of a set of data. Recap of data handling. Students, in this chapter we will understand data handling. It is very important for data collection. Now we recall previous classes knowledge about data handling. Students, you can remember the different graph used to display information like this one. Sometimes you can see this type of graph in T20 match. First topic of this chapter is mean. For a data set, the mean, also called expected value or average, is the central value of a discrete set of numbers. So by the definition, mean is the total number or amount divided by the number of items. Mean is equal to sum of data divided by number of data. In simple words, the mean is denoted by the symbol x bar. It is given by the formula x bar is equal to sum of data divided by number of data. For example, find the mean of a given set of the data 1, 3, 8, 12, 16. So by definition, mean or average equal to sum of values divided by number of values. इस एग्जाम्पल में सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने सम ऑफ वैल्यूज फाइंड करना है. जितने भी नंबर्स गिवन है उनको सबसे पहले ऐड करना है. 1 + 3 + 8 + 12 + 16 डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. टोटल 5 वैल्यूज गिवन है तो डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करें तो 1 + 3 + 8 + 12 + 16 इक्वल टू 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 विच इज इक्वल टू 8 is the required mean of the given set of data. Similarly, another example, find the mean of the given set of data. By definition of mean, sum of values divided by number of values. सबसे पहले इन सब नंबर्स को आप लोगों ने ऐड करना है. 46.4 + 29.3 + 48.2 + 35.1 + 46.4 + 39.5 + 41.3 + 25.2 डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज हमारे पास 8 है. डिवाइडेड बाय 8 करें विच इज इक्वल टू 311.4 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 इक्वल टू 38.9. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स एंड अल्लाह हाफिज.